So the reason why companies tend to create a false sense of urgency, like what you just heard in the recording just a moment ago, is because it works. And it's not the right thing to do, but they do it because it works, whether it's the insurance industry and it's, getting in there and saying, hey, your family's not protected, or whether it's, hey, some materials were left behind on another order. We've got a little bit left. If you want to take this, we'll get you a deal. It creates an environment where the person is motivated to buy quickly. So I'm saying that because, as a real estate agent, this happens to be the largest purchase and sale, more than likely, of their entire life. They're already afraid. So using fear tends to have an opposite reaction. First of all, it's not the right thing to do. Okay. But then second of all, it isn't as effective because it's already a scary process. And as I have said in several places, one of the things that I think as an agent we can do is we can find out what's motivating them first. And then once we find out where their motivation is, we can come alongside that motivation and help advance it. So an example would be if they're motivated by moving and not disrupting their children's school. Okay, so you ask a series of questions, you find out that's really important to them. Well, okay, school's about to come out, let's say in the late spring, it's about to end, and they haven't been pre-approved yet. Well, okay, it's not sleazy for you to say, look, you wanted to buy a home and move while your children were out for the summer. You haven't been approved for a loan yet. You really should go talk to them so that we can start searching and looking at homes. You can get educated about the process, and then you can move, as you said, during the summer. So I'm kind of adapting my desire for them and their motivation. You don't have to trick, you don't have to lie, you don't have to steal. You can be kind of like a cheerleader. So, they tell you what they need, and then you're their coach. You're cheering them on so that they can realize their goals. And agents that are good at this, not only do they sell more homes, but they're appreciated by their clients because they feel like that they got that extra oomph that they needed to get across the finish line. I've often said that as agents, many times we're just helping people get out of their own way. They're scared, confused, all kinds of stuff. And so creating urgency is about finding what's motivating them and partnering with them.